So guys, there's this cat that I've been seeing around my neighborhood for quite some time, and whenever he sees me carrying a ball, he's like he starts to communicate with me, and I always feel like he's asking for some food. So as you can see, right now I'm just carrying a bowl of some food, and the cat is communicating like they want some. So I'm just gonna give him some of it. As I've noticed, he's having some injuries, he's having some leg injuries, so I'm just gonna give him some. And it's like the cat is very hungry, so I'm gonna share with him some of my chapatis. As you can see, he's eating them. Guys, I think these animals do communicate, so we should always listen to them. As you can see, the birds are also coming. So I'm feeding the cat as well as the birds, and I'm happy about it because at least they're eating and they are happy. So guys, I think we should always listen to these animals. They have a unique way of communicating and of speaking to us. So the cat and the birds are eating the chapatis. I feel happy whenever these creatures just feed, because they also deserve to be treated well. They do feel hungry at times. The only problem is that we don't understand their language. But I feel they do communicate. You see the cat is eating, and the birds as well. I do feel happy, so at least I fed someone. I've noticed him for some time. Whenever he see me out carrying a ball, he would cry. And I just thought that he's speaking to me. Kindly like and subscribe for more upcoming amazing videos. I think I should just go inside and get them some more foods. The birds as well, because the birds want more as well. So I should just go inside and get them some more.